How should I organize my fridge? With a game, of course. So let's organize my fridge, guys. So look at this. Today, what should I put where? I think I'm going to put milk in the upper corner. No. Yeah. My milk going in the. I have no idea why I bought so much milk. Can I open the? Oh, I have. Let's keep whatever these are. I think these are Sprite bottles. I have no idea. Let's put them here. Oh wow. And let's put these bottles of mayo here. Are these mayo? Are these tubs of mayo? I have no idea. These could be for all I know. And wow, I just completed my first fridge. Wow, this is my job now. This is my job. I'm going to just organize fridges. Oh wow, I just bought another fridge just for organizing. Can I? What should I put in here? Are these chips? Why are you putting chips in the freezer? I have no idea what I'm going to put my handy dandy chips, Nah, this is too small for chips. So let's put my chips here. I have no idea why I'm putting chips in the freezer. Oh, are these ice cream? Oh my god, these are ice cream. I have no idea why I bought so much ice cream. Oh wow, nice texture. It just looks so weird and I love it. I love it. The entire tub will compromise of milk. Why? Why you gotta do me dirty like that, game? No. Let's delete all of this. And let's put my soda cans in here. Oh boy, I got a lot of soda. 1 out of 3 complete. I had no idea this game worked like this. But okay. Okay, let's put some more soda cans in here. Great, now the top of my fridge is filled with soda. Okay, let's do that. And let's do that. Yeah, the top of my fridge is only Coca-Colas or Pepsis, or I have no idea what those are. Wait, there's more ice cream. Tubs of ice cream. Yeah. Who is eating all of that ice cream? Is this an avocado's fridge? I have no idea. I'm going to put some healthy things in here. And let's put some Sprite here too. This game does you dirty. Okay, now can I open the bottom of my fridge? Okay, so can I open the bottom of my fridge, please? It seems that I can't open the bottom of my fridge. I mean, in front of this fridge. I have no idea. Let's do. And let's do it like that. And let's put all. Let's put all these sodas in here. Mayo. Okay. There and there. Ah, yes, my tubs of milk. Where should I put these milk? With my colas, of course. With me colas. Yeah, that's how you organize a fridge. Put milk with colas. Okay, yeah. Level 2 complete. And I still can't open the bottom of my fridge. Ooh, the grocery press pad. Why would I want that? Why would I want makeup in my fridge? I'm a boy. I need makeup. What is this? I said no makeup in my fridge, and this comes. I said no makeup. Okay, whatever. Maybe it's my mom's shelf of things. I have no clue. What are these? Foundation? No, this is makeup remover? I have no clue. What are these? Powders? Lipstick? Then what are these? Face wash? I have no clue. But you know, no. Let's do like this, like this. No. No. Everything. Let's do it like that. Yeah. And let's do some powder here. Why? Okay, again. No, I don't want to put powder. The face wash. No, and I told you, I will put my another set of face wash. I will put my powder. Which for some reason I cannot stack. And my lipstick. 2/3 complete. And let's continue. And our other 2 lipsticks. I had no idea women needed so much makeup. Get out. I'll get some chips. Hey, you really don't like pizza? No, I don't want oat. Ooh, we got slices of meat now. Oh, is it Oreo? Or is it like a, a knockoff? I have no idea. But there's so many Oreo knockoffs now. What is this? Flour? Or is it oat that they did not want to get? And their chips. And what about my friends now? Is it going to be frustrating enough for me to open this with watching an ad? We'll see. But let's sell the top ones first. What should I put in here? Also, why are we putting flour in the fridge? I have no idea. And also, why Oreos? And also, why are you putting fruits in the fridge? Well, whatever. Let's fill this with some apples. Let's fill that with some apples. No. Fill this in some apples. Some apples. What should they put here? Let's put the flour. Okay. I shall put my chips here. No, I shall not put my chips here. I shall put my ice cream here. Some of my great ice cream. You know, only the best would keep their ice cream in the fridge. And only the best would keep it a design. Duh. Let's put me Oreos here. And they have put so many Oreos in just one section of the fridge. And it is here, 1/3 complete. Let's see. What should I put in the bigger section? I feel like I should put my meatloaves in the bigger section. Now I can put them like this. Yeah. Now we gotta lead some of them. No. That's also a mistake. Yes, 16. 16 of some meat. Correction, and let's put some milk in these. Yeah. Because you always put milk. Okay, no, that just looks dumb now. That really looks dumb now. Okay, let's continue. Now you know me the best. Give it the nicest look. So we gotta lead all of this. And the meatloaves again, my boys. There's my design meatloaf with a plus in the middle. Great. Let's put my chips there. Because you should always put your chips there. You should always. And let's put my milk here. As you know, you should always put your milk here. Ooh, I really wanna get them. I'm going to. Yeah. Now I gotta put. No. Only I can do this. Yeah, look at that. It's complete. Wait, this. Oh my gosh, the mayo! How could they forget about the mayo? No, it goes bang dab in the middle. With the meatloaf, as you know, I like my meat with some mayo. Okay, I just got this hat at why is there an 18 plus sound? What is this sound? What is this? I wanna know, but I don't wanna know at the same time because I don't wanna download their app. It's a stupid app. It's a very stupid app. So let's continue. Finishing Nico Avocado's fridges. Chicken thigh. Ooh, I really want the sausage, but I'm gonna chicken thigh. There are my chicken thighs and what are these? Spaghettis? Spaghetti. Make sure I eat spaghetti right now. What are these? A different mayonnaise. I already have it on mayonnaise in my house. What do I need? Like some kind of drink, ice cream, and my apples. Great. Also, now I can open the bottom of my fridge too. Let's get my ice cream. Look at the delicious, delightful ice cream. No. I want to put my ice cream there. Let's get these thingies out. Not in the big tub. Not in the big tub. I want you to be in the small tub. Let's make sure none of them. No. No. No, fine. I will live with this. No. They're absolutely perfect. Let's put these tubs of mayo here. Or are these just some kind of... Oh, yeah, it's chocolate milk. How could I forget? It's chocolate milk. You know, obviously it would be chocolate milk. It was not enough. 1, 2, 3. No. No, why? Just why? No. Everything is here where not we're supposed it to be. Yes, thank you, my lord. Yeah, you always keep it organized like that. Now what should I put here? Obviously my spaghetti. How in the friggin' name? My fork. No. This does not look alright. I'm going to put my Oreos here. My Oreos or my Borneos or my Yo-Yos or whatever. I filled this thing up to its fullest. Now I will put my flour here. And now put my spaghetti. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna stack them. Gosh. Yeah. There, no. That's not called organizing. This thing is not called organizing. Why can't they just do a single thing right in this life? Okay, it's complete. 1/3. Okay, this is going to be my last fridge, you guys, because this video is getting quite long. What should I put in here? My lovely tubs of ice cream? Sure. Cause no. I don't put my lovely ice. I put them in these, yeah. Yeah. I would definitely put them with these also. Where are you? My 2 tubs? Yeah. Uh-huh. No! No! What is going on in this game? Just don't understand. It's frustrating. There, my gosh. I'm going to put my 1 billion cans of Coca-Cola right here. Really, there are 1 billion cans in here. And there it is, 2/3. Hey y'all guys, so as you know, I like to put my tubs of mayonnaise in here. As you all know, no, not like that. I like to put my tubs of mayonnaise. My gosh, what is going on with this clicking? Goodness. There. What else do I have left? Oh, of course, my chips that I for some reason need to put in the freezer. And my chicken thighs. My chicken thighs, I have no idea why I am singing your chicken thighs. Chicken thighs, I have no idea why I am singing it for you. I have no idea if I'm singing for my chicken thighs. Okay, I'm going to stop. Nah. Okay. They are fabulous. And I'll put my chips and I will put my chips on. Oh, I cannot put my chips on there. And let's put my chips and my spaghettios. No, I can't. Yeah, I gotta put it with my mayo. Oh my god, they still. I can't. Guys, that's it for today. And bye everyone.